Welcome back. My name is Salum Khalid, Mechanical Design Associate. Today I want to model out a simple butler using loft feature technique and Solidworks software. And hope you enjoy the end of this tutorial and learn how to use the technique, modeling out different butlers and the other shape mold which can be molded in a real life. So let's start with the new file and then purge. Okay, we just choose the top plane and go to insert reference geometry and then put that one and you choose as 50. Yes, and choose the first one, the second one. Yes, 50 again. Choose the third one, 50 again, and then choose the last one as 30. Okay, that's the last plane. So you're gonna choose the top plane and then sketch on the top plane, then you choose to draw the circle, which is gonna be 100 in millimeter. Yes, and then extrude the sketch. Then choose the first plane, sketch, choose that plane. Now choose that circle and convert that entity, and then that's okay, and exit the sketch. And then choose the third plane, the second plane. It's gonna be second plane. Is the second plane, and then sketch, and yes, you just draw the circle, but this time is diameter is going to be 80. Okay, that's correct, and exit the sketch, and read that. Then choose the third one and sketch, and draw another circle, but this time is going to be 30 millimeter in diameter. And then exit the sketch, and then we choose the fourth plane, sketch, and then mark that circle and convert entities, and then exit the sketch. Then you get the series of profiles that supposed to be lofted out to make a nice feature, the nice model. Okay, that's okay. And then we go to feature and go to loft. Okay, and then we choose the first, the second, the third, fourth, and then the last one, and then say okay. That's nice. And you're gonna be like, you hide this one, gonna be like you hide this one, and gonna be like you hide this one as well, and you hide that one as well. Okay, you choose that edge at the bottom and then fill it. Just put like 5 millimeter in radius and just put like that, and that's correct in the end. Okay, and the other thing is to do sure. The other thing is to do sure, and then go to the top face and then show. Just choose show preview and go to choose like 1 mm. Yes, that's it. And choose OK. And when you choose the section view, then the section view can tell you whether it is hollow inside or not. Yes, the section view show that it is hollow inside, and that's okay. And after that, you're just gonna have to put like something like text on our bottom, and you just like choose the front plane, and on the front plane choose insert, then go to plane. The front plane is just at the center of the model, so you just want to make a plane which is just on the surface of our model. So that one is just on the surface, or you can put like that. Yes, it's just on the surface of our model, and then choose how to sketch from that plane. Sketch, then go to view number 2, then choose like to draw that semicircle. Yes, and join from there to there. Yeah, that's correct. This one and this one supposed to be horizontal. Yes, like that. But this sketch supposed to be for construction, and then OK, and we just put you just put the sketch now, the text. Yes, from there, and then put the text as U. Yes, I'm just choosing the center to stay at the center. Yes, U. Drop, and then OK. Then I choose this one, choose the other text, and we write there where, then OK. Yes, that's right, and then we go to feature, and we can just extrude boss. So just choose 1 mm. Yes, no, just 2. Yes, that's right. You drop. Yes, you drop. You have that plane, and the you drop is like that. You drop, voila, you drop, voila. And then we just put just assign the material for this part. Okay, for me I'm just choosing plastic material for the bottle, and depending on your specs, but for me I'm just choosing PVC. That one. Yes, that's nice. And I just want to make a color for this part, and let's choose like this color. That looks nice, and yeah, that's correct and nice. And that's how to make a simple bottle like the way you see, or what I have made using the loft feature. And you can try to make your own feature using different like myself, I use only profiles, and you can use profiles plus the guide curve to make the shape of your bottle you want, and there are other techniques you can use. But I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, as it is very simple, pretty simple to make a practice, and you learn something. Okay, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel called Saloon Khalid, a Solidworks user, so that I can get more and more tutorial. And drop your comment there if you want any shape to be done for you by me, then I'll just do it for you. Just feel free to drop your comment and subscribe on my channel for more and more tutorials on Solidworks using. Thank you and goodbye.